Look at all that time.
Alright. Oh, shit. Yeah. Sorry, Robbie. You got her?
I knocked it all off.
Yeah. I know what I'm doing.
I don't think you do.
I don't want to get no snow. It only turns into water, though. Think you're going to make it out packing up?
Shit.
Yeah?
I'm worried about it.
Yeah. Just going to go easy and steady. Slow and steady on the gas. I can direct the traffic for you. Bad storm. Where he's behind us? Perfect timing, eh? It's because it's getting bad out, that's why they come back. Is Dennis coming? Dennis, can you ask him to move, Robbie? Can you plow us a little trail, Dennis, to get out with?
What?
Can you plow me and Robbie a trail?
Back up there, you little cocksucker. Stop?
No,
I'm
but...
just gonna back up and come out front ways, right? But, too late now. Too bad, so sad, eh? Get that fucking thing off me, man. You're blinding me.
Alright,
Fucking with the fucking window.
Sorry, man.
Let's take a video.